A clogged drain can turn even the simplest daily tasks into a frustrating challenge. But before you call a plumber or reach for harsh chemicals, there are several tried-and-true DIY methods you can use to unclog almost any drain in just minutes. Start by clearing the area around the drain and removing any visible debris, such as hair or soap scum. Sometimes a simple solution lies right at the surface. Next, try pouring a kettle of boiling water slowly down the drain. The heat can dissolve grease or soap buildup, often clearing minor clogs instantly. If the blockage persists, reach for a plunger. Make sure there's enough water to cover the plunger's cup, then create a tight seal over the drain. Use firm, even strokes to generate suction, which can dislodge stubborn clogs deep within the pipes. For tougher clogs, a homemade mixture can work wonders. Combine half a cup of baking soda with half a cup of vinegar and pour it down the drain. Cover the drain immediately to trap the fizzing reaction inside. After 15 minutes, flush with hot water. This natural solution breaks down organic matter without damaging your pipes. If the blockage remains, a drain snake or wire hanger can help. Insert it into the drain, twist, and carefully pull out the obstruction. Always be gentle to avoid scratching your pipes. As a preventative measure, consider using a drain cover to catch hair and debris before they cause problems. Regular maintenance is key. Flush your drains with hot water weekly and avoid pouring grease or coffee grounds into sinks. With these simple DIY hacks, you can keep your drains flowing freely and save time, money, and hassle in the process. Remember, a little proactive care goes a long way in maintaining a healthy home.